Guys, look what I have on my table right now. It's the all-new SVI Cloud 3 Plus, or this is probably their Pro version, which is a huge upgrade over the SVI Cloud that I reviewed a couple of months ago. Hi, I'm Richmond of Gadget Sidekick. Join me as we explore the wonders inside this box. Let's go. So previously we have unboxed this one, the SVI Cloud, which supports up to 6K Ultra HD, which is already good back then, but I wonder if it supports any more, if any movies running 6K at the moment. I think it's not really that much. And right now, the huge upgrade is that it supports 8K video right now. It's really crazy, to be honest with you. And right now it can support up to 5G Wi-Fi, which is really an upside for me, and it's running Android 10. Now, putting this aside, let's unbox the SVI Cloud 3 Plus. Okay, so we can see it's properly packed, and I can say that this design, they have really evolved a bit. And look at the SVI Cloud 3 Plus. God, it's so attractive. There's really no words I can say. And right now it has an antenna for better Wi-Fi reception. Let's take a peek. On the side we have a SD card slot. Up front, this is the display panel. At the other side we have a USB 3 input. At the back we have two more USB 2.0 input. We have the LAN port. We have the SVDIF here, and HDMI input, LAN port, and of course your power input. Nothing more underneath, and I can say really the display is nice. The design, I really like the design. It's really futuristic. So let's go ahead and check what's more inside the box. Okay, we have the adapter. We have the power cord. Okay, for other countries plug. We have the HDMI cable over here, and we have the remote. The remote does support voice command, and it's really nice to have a voice command remote on this one. So since we already unboxed it, why not, let's go ahead and try this one out. Okay, so this is the interface of the SVI Cloud Pro. So it's a little bit different from what it used to be. So upon entering, don't forget to press 6868 on your numpad here, and so you will be able to install everything. And what's important is this one, the Luca VOD. So let's take a peek on what's inside this Luca VOD, and right now it's loading. So here are some of the hot picks for this week. So recommended, these are some of the recommended movies. On top here are the movies: Deep Blue Sea, Robot Riot, and TV series. So these are some of the popular TV series that you might want to take a look at. Now, you can check anime. So, yep, these are some cartoons that, yeah, kids and old kids would enjoy together at home. Dragon Ball, some of these ones, Pokemon, Mickey Mouse, yep. So that's it for anime. Let's check variety. So these are some of the variety shows that you can have. Yeah, this is one good Korean series, The Running Man. Yeah, I do watch this one. Documentary. Some really interesting films here. Blue Planet is one of the good ones. Then of course, don't forget that there are also for kids. These ones are kid-friendly show. Now, upon searching movies, you can go on to the left side and check out what's hot and what's the new ones. And you can also browse by ratings. These are some of the good rated films. You can check Blu-ray only films. You can also check those with subtitles and those 4K films. So these are some of the other options. You can check Cantonese from Hong Kong, China mainland films, yeah, Hong Kong again, Taiwan, Japan, Korea, and some film from the West, and some film from the India, Malaysia, Singapore, Hollywood, and of course other films. So there's a lot to watch on this SVI Cloud Pro, and I'm really excited to play this one. So, but right now, let's take a peek at the HD TV. We'll go inside the Luca TV right now and see what's inside. So it's loading. Doesn't take too long as your bandwidth is pretty much okay. Mine is running right now at 30 Mbps. Okay, so you can, what's good about this one is that you can replay. You can push it back and stream to whatever was played a while ago, which is quite good for people who kind of missed the show. And let's take a quick look on what's other channels. What other channels? You just need to press OK for a long, roughly 3 seconds, so you can see other channels on this side. So many channels. Now we can search for mainland channels, Taiwan channels, Hong Kong channels, Japan channels, USA channels, then Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, India, Vietnam, Korea, sports channel, news, movie, series, kids, documentary, and of course food. There's so many channels for you to choose from, but let us check sports channel. There's basketball for today. Ooh, HD, NBA HD US. Okay, so these are some channels that you cannot replay since there's no playback. So you can check other channel under NBA channel. Okay, so this is playoff basketball on the NBA, which you can watch here on SVI Cloud. So yeah, some of the other things that you can do here is pretty much check out some kids channel here, check out some music channel here. Then of course you can ask for help here. You just need to download this app, and that's it. Now, let's see what are the apps that we have inside. So here are the basic apps that's installed on your SVI Cloud Pro, which is pretty much enough. And you can pretty much install whatever you like to boost up your Android TV box here, make the most out of it, and that's pretty much it for the SVI Cloud. So guys, we have already explored what we can see inside this SVI Cloud 3 Plus, and to be honest with you, it's really, really marvelous to have this one inside your home, or whenever you travel, you can bring it along. It's really just a palm size one, and it's not really heavy, really, really light. And what I like about it is the diverse channel that it has inside the box, and future-proof 8K display, and it supports 5G, Wi-Fi, and of course, it has been running on Android 10. Others are still running on Android 7 and Android 8. This one is already running on Android 10, which is more advanced than the other ones. So if you like my review, do give me a like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my future review here at Gadget Sidekick. So I'm Richmond, and I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye.